Hello, go ahead on this diagram on the board and prove that the current flowing through the resistor R1 will be what we have on this board. From there, we can demonstrate all those formula. It is very simple and funny. We discovered that the supply voltage U is equal to current time R equivalent here, and the R equivalent here is R1 parallel R2, which is equal to I time R1 parallel R2, which is equal to I time R1 time R2 on R1 plus R2. That is it here. We can call this equation, let's say equation 1. Okay, let us go down and find the expression of U1, the voltage across R1. U1 will be equal to I1 time R1, and U2 will be equal to I2 time R2. Let's call respectively these two equations 2 here and 3 here as well. Knowing that both the two items are connected in parallel, you will have the same voltage. Means that equation 1 will be equal to equation 2. Let's set equation 2 equal to equation 1. We are going to have I1 R1 equal to I time R1 R2 on R1 plus R2. Once we reach here now, we can arrange that expression very well. We discover that we have the terms here, R1 here as well as R1 there. We can cancel the thing and get I1 alone will be equal to supply current time R2 on R1 plus R2. That's what is called current divider. Don't make confusion between current divider and voltage divider. Check. Okay, let us now take equation 3 equal to equation 1 because it have the same voltage. It has the same voltage as you can see on the board. Equation 2 equal to equation 1 means that equation 3 equal to equation 1. We are going to have I2 R2 equal to equation 1, which is I time R1 R2 on R1 plus R2. When you reach here now, we discover that you have the same terms here, R2 here. You can cancel the term R2 and obtain directly I2, which is equal to I R1 on R1 plus R2. And the formula has been proved. There is no problem. So if you have a question, don't forget to ask in the description section below. And if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you will not lose the incoming video. Switching guard for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.